Hi, my name is James Diaz. Today we're going to go over I Think They Call This Love on the ukulele by Elliot James. We're going to go over all the chords, and then I will go over a strumming pattern that you could use for this song. The chords for this song. The intro to the song starts with an F minor, then a B flat, and then you go into the chords for the verse. It's the E flat to a C minor, back to an F minor, then to a B flat. And the chords for the verses start with those: E flat, C minor, F minor, B flat. E flat, C minor, F minor, B flat. You play that 2 times through, and then the chords change to a G7 and a C minor. For hesitation, never helps. And then back to a G7, to a C minor, to a B flat, an F minor, and a B flat. And then you go into the chorus. The chorus is going to start just like the first verse. E flat, C minor, F minor, and a B flat 2 times through. All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. Do it one more time. And darling, something tells me that's not enough. Then the chords change. When you go to "You can say I'm a fool," that's where the chords change. F minor, you could say I'm a fool, to a B flat. Then you go to a C minor, a B flat, I don't know very much, to an F, then to an F minor, a B flat, and an E flat. For I think they call this love. Then you go back into the regular chords: E flat, C minor, F minor, B flat, and then you go into the second verse. The second verse, the chords are exactly the same as the first verse. The chorus, the second time, and so what happens is on the second time in the chorus, you're going to go into a key change, so the chords are going to change completely. What's going to happen is you go, "But I think they call this love," and then you repeat that. "Oh, I think they call this love." So the second time you repeat it, the chords change a little bit. So the first time, regular chords. The F minor, I think, to the B flat, they call this E flat love, to the C minor. Then you repeat, so you go to an F minor, "Oh, I think," to a B flat, they call this, then to an F, because the chords are going to change to a, for the guitar solo, and pretty much the rest of the song, you're going to change to a D minor, and then a G minor, then a C for the guitar solo instrumental part, an F, a D minor, a G minor, and a C. So you just play those chords 2 times through: F, D minor, G minor, C, F, D minor, G minor, C. And then you go into the "What could this be between you and me?" And those chords is going to be a B flat, to a C, to a D minor, to a C, to a G, a B flat, and a C. Then you go into the chorus, and the chords are all different now because we changed keys. So it's going to be an F to a D minor, all I dream of is your eyes, to a G minor, to a C, and then you repeat those chords: F, D minor, G minor, C, and the chords change to a B flat, that I'm a fool, to a C, to a D minor, and I don't know very much, to a C, to a G, and then you go to a B flat, to a C, to a G minor, to a C, to a B flat, to a C, and then to end the song, you do an F, a D minor, a G minor, a C, and you end the song on an F. Those are all the chords that you need to know. What I'm going to do, I'm going to play the different parts of the song for you. I'll play the first verse and the chorus. I'll play the guitar instrumental and that little bridge, basically, what that is. I'll play the key change. I'll play the key changed chorus one time through as well. So you could just see where all the chords go in the song, and then we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. The strumming pattern is easy, so you don't gotta worry about that. So the instrumental is just dun, 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 dun. Then you go into the first verse. They say when you know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? Then you go into the chorus. And all I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's not enough. You say I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Then you go into the second verse. The chords are exactly the same. They're placed in the exact same place. They're just different words. So now I'm going to go down to the end of the second chorus where the key changes and you go into the guitar solo. So the end of the second chorus is, but I think they call this love. Oh, I think they call this love. This is just the guitar solo. Chorus. The chorus with the different chords. All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that it's not enough. They say I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call, oh, I think yes, I think they call this love. So that's where all the chords are placed in the song, and now let's go over the strumming pattern. It's a very simple strumming pattern. It's gonna be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So down, 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 up, down. It's a very classic strumming pattern. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. It's the same pattern that you would actually use to play Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis. So if you want to check out all the ukulele stuff that I use, the strings, capos, all that kind of stuff, there's a beginner basic ukulele if you want to, get one for someone else. Anyway, all that junk's in the description below if you need some strings or anything like that. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. I'll see you in another one.